Hi everyone, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to transfer the Ticketmaster tickets from Apple Wallet in 2026. Now, if your tickets are saved in Apple Wallet and you need to send them to someone else, this updated guide will walk you through it step by step. So first of all, on your iPhone, you just have to simply open your Apple Wallet. So it is going to look something like this. So over here among the cards and the tickets that you have added over here, you just have to simply look for your Ticketmaster ticket. Now, as soon as you tap on your ticket, you are going to see a transfer button. So after clicking on that transfer button, you just have to simply tap on it. After tapping on it, simply provide the information about that particular person whom you want to send it to. So you can send this particular ticket with the help of a message or email address, or you can send it via any other application. So you can choose how you want to send the ticket link to your friend. So when you send it, Ticketmaster will still handle the transfer and Apple Wallet is going to just initiate it. So you need to enter the email address or the phone number of the person whom you want to send it to. Just make sure that the information that you are providing is correct, because this is where the transfer link will go. So after doing this, simply just click on the option of send or continue. And as soon as you do this, the person is going to basically receive a link on either the email or the messages. So they will have to log in their Ticketmaster account and they will have to accept the ticket. So this way that will be added in their Apple Wallet under My Tickets section. So if this video helped you out, make sure that you like this video and subscribe to the channel. Thanks for watching.